Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. In this video, we are going to write a code in C language to check whether entered year is a leap year or not. So let's start. Now we try to understand concept of leap year. If year is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year, unless it is a centurieth year. What is centurieth year? It is a year which is ended with two zeros. For example, 2500, 1900 or 2000, etc. In case if a year is a centurieth year, then if it is exactly divisible by 400, then and then only we can conclude that it is a leap year. Else, we can conclude it is not leap year. Before writing actual code, we write an algorithm for checking whether entered year is a leap year or not. We know that algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to perform a task. So, step 1 is start. In step 2, we enter a year to be checked whether leap year or not and store it in a variable year. In step 3, we compute year mod 4 and compare it with 0. If this condition is satisfied, then we go to step 4. Else, if this condition is not satisfied, then we will print year is not leap year. In step 4, we calculate whether it is centurieth year or not by computing year mod 100 double equal to 0. If it is exactly divisible by 100, then it is centurieth year. If it is centurieth year, then we will check year mod 400 whether it is equal to 0 or not. If this condition is satisfied, then entered year is a leap year, else the year is not leap year. If year is not centurieth year, as it is exactly divisible by 4, then we can display that it is a leap year. Last step is stop. Now we are going to study flowchart to check whether entered year is a leap year or not. First, we shall enter a year as shown in input-output block. Then we check condition whether it is exactly divisible by 4 or not by using year mod 4 double equal to 0. If it is exactly divisible by 4, then we will check whether it is centurieth year or not by using the condition year mod 100 double equals to 0. If year is a centurieth year, then we will check one more condition, that is whether it is exactly divisible by 400 by year mod 400 double equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied, then we will print entered year is a leap year. If this condition is not satisfied, then we will print this year is not leap year. Complete flow is represented as shown in respective blocks. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. Now we are going to study actual code in C language to print whether entered year is a leap year or not. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and conio.h is done. In main function, we read value of year and store it in a variable year. In first condition, year mod 4 double equal to 0, this condition checks whether it is exactly divisible by 4 or not. If this condition is satisfied, then we check whether it is centurieth year by using condition year mod 100 double equals to 0. If this condition is satisfied, then we are going to check next condition whether year mod 400 is equals to 0. If this condition is satisfied, then we are printing a message with the help of printf function that entered year is a leap year. If this condition is not satisfied, then it message that year is not leap year is displayed. Here, CLR SCR is used to clear output screen and getCH is used to hold output screen. Now, we shall see how actual program is executed in Turbo C. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We will execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, there is a message to enter value of year. We enter a value say 2024. We have got output year is a leap year. Once again, we will run the code. Now we enter a value say 2000. We have got output year is a leap year. Now we will enter value 1900. Thus we have got message it is not leap year. As 1900 is a centuryth year but it's not divisible by 400, hence we have got the message entered year is not leap year. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.